Make Money While You Sleep, your guide to passive income. Have you ever wondered how you can make money while you sleep? Imagine waking up to money in your account, earned while you were catching Z's. Sounds pretty awesome, right? That's the power of passive income, a way to generate cash flow without constantly trading your time for money. Now, I'm not saying you'll become a millionaire overnight. Building passive income takes effort, especially up front. But the beauty is, once you've put in the work, you can potentially earn money around the clock, even while you focus on other things, like that 9-to-5 you're trying to escape or spending time with loved ones. In this video, we're diving deep into 5 beginner-friendly passive income ideas that you can start exploring today. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to diversify your income streams, there's something here for everyone. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started. Let's be real. Trading your time for money like most of us do with traditional jobs, it has its limitations. You only have so many hours in a day, and let's face it, who wants to be stuck in the 9-to-5 grind forever? Passive income is all about breaking free from that cycle. It's about generating income from assets or systems that you've set up, even while you're off doing other things. It's about building true financial freedom. Think of it like planting a tree. You put in the effort to plant the seed, water it, and nurture it. It might take time, but eventually that tree starts bearing fruit without you needing to constantly tend to it. That's passive income. You put in the initial work, and over time it starts generating income even while you're off enjoying life. Now, passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It takes effort, dedication, and often an upfront investment of time or money. But the rewards, they're more than worth it. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions, spend more time with loved ones, or simply not stress about money. That's the power of passive income. It's about creating a life where your money works for you, instead of the other way around. And the best part? There are countless ways to generate passive income, and many of them are accessible to everyone, regardless of your background or experience. So, if you're ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and start building a life of financial freedom, then keep watching, because I'm about to reveal some of the best passive income ideas for beginners. Let's talk about one of my favorite passive income streams, dividend stocks. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Stocks? Isn't that risky? While all investments come with some level of risk, dividend stocks can be a relatively low-risk way to generate passive income over the long term. Think of it like owning a tiny piece of a company. When that company makes a profit, they share a portion of those profits with their shareholders, that's you, in the form of dividends. These dividends are typically paid out quarterly, meaning you get a nice little paycheck every 3 months just for owning the stock. Pretty sweet, right? Now, not all stocks pay dividends, so you'll want to do your research and focus on companies with a solid track record of dividend payments. Look for established companies in reliable industries. Think consumer staples, healthcare, or even real estate. These companies tend to have consistent earnings and are more likely to continue paying dividends over time. Remember, investing in the stock market always carries some risk, and the value of your investments can fluctuate. But by investing in dividend-paying stocks, you're not just relying on the stock price to go up, you're also generating a steady stream of passive income from those dividend payments. And over the long term, those dividends can really add up, helping you build wealth and achieve your financial goals. So, if you're looking for a hands-off way to generate passive income, definitely consider adding dividend stocks to your portfolio. Ever thought about sharing your passions with the world and getting paid for it? That's the beauty of creating a blog or YouTube channel. It's not just about being internet famous, though that's a bonus. It's about building a community around your interests and monetizing your content. Now, I know what you're thinking, Kenton, is this really passive income? Doesn't it take a ton of work? And yeah, upfront it does. Creating high-quality content, whether it's blog posts, videos, or both, takes time and effort. But here's the thing. Once you've built an audience, you can start monetizing your content in several ways. Think display advertising on your blog, sponsorships on your YouTube videos, even selling your own products or services. The key is to be consistent, create valuable content that resonates with your audience, and be patient. Building a successful blog or YouTube channel takes time, but the potential for passive income is huge. Imagine waking up to ad revenue from a blog post you wrote months ago or earning commissions from affiliate links on your YouTube videos. That's the power of building an online audience. And the best part? It doesn't require a huge upfront investment. You can start a blog for just a few bucks a month, and all you need for a YouTube channel is a phone and something to say. So, if you're passionate about something and love to create, don't underestimate the power of building your own online platform. It could be your ticket to generating passive income while doing what you love. Ever told a friend about an amazing product and wished you could get a cut of the sale? Well, with affiliate marketing, you actually can. This is one of the most popular ways to generate passive income online, and it's easier than you might think. Here's how it works. You partner with a company that sells products or services you love. They give you a unique affiliate link, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Think of it like being a digital salesperson, but without the pressure of cold calling or closing deals. You're simply recommending products you already use and love. And if your audience finds value in your recommendations and makes a purchase, you get rewarded. The best part? You don't need a huge following to start making money with affiliate marketing. You can promote your affiliate links on your blog, social media, email list, or even just by sharing them with friends and family. The key is to be authentic and only promote products or services you genuinely believe in. People can spot a phony from a mile away, so focus on building trust with your audience and recommending things you know they'll love. And the earning potential is virtually limitless. Some affiliate marketers earn 6 figures or more each year just by recommending products and services they love. So if you're looking for a low-cost, high-reward way to generate passive income, affiliate marketing is definitely worth exploring. Let's talk about real estate, one of the oldest and most reliable ways to build wealth and generate passive income. Now I know what you're thinking. Kenton, I don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars to buy a rental property, and you know what? You don't need it. You can start small by renting out a spare room on Airbnb or even your entire place while you're traveling. It's a fantastic way to offset your living expenses and generate some extra cash flow. Platforms like Airbnb have made it easier than ever to list your property and connect with potential guests from around the world. You set your own rates, availability, and house rules, giving you complete control over your rental business. Now, being an Airbnb host does require some effort. You'll need to manage bookings, communicate with guests, and ensure your property is clean and welcoming. But the potential rewards can be significant, especially in popular tourist destinations. And if you're ready to level up your real estate game, consider investing in a rental property. Yes, it requires a larger upfront investment, but the potential for long-term passive income is huge. Imagine collecting rent checks every month, building equity in an appreciating asset, and securing your financial future. That's the power of real estate investing. So whether you're starting small with Airbnb or dreaming big about owning a portfolio of rental properties, don't underestimate the power of real estate to generate passive income and build long-term wealth. So there you have it, 5 incredible passive income ideas that can help you start building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Remember, passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It takes effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. The key is to find what you're passionate about, what aligns with your skills and resources, and start taking action. Whether you're diving into the world of dividend stocks, building an online empire, or becoming a real estate mogul, the first step is always the hardest. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these passive income ideas today, and watch as your financial future transforms. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome financial tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep crushing it.